Jaden, Mommy told you 啦。嗱，我哋呢個時候咧處理一啲 grammar 嘅問題啊 ，should do、should be doing 同埋 should have done 有咩分別啦？嗱，我想講咧，呢三個分別真係好大嘅喎。should do 就係你應該做功課啦 ，you should do your homework 咁啊，你應該做功課，可以有做可以冇做。啊 ，you should be doing your homework now 就好唔同嘅咯喎，有幾唔同啊？我哋揾一對拇指出嚟示範下，係近排好 hit 嘅拇指係乜嘢啊？就係 Jaden 同佢媽咪啦。諗下個 situation，Jaden 冇做功課，媽咪會同佢講咩啊？Jaden。Mommy told you 啦 ，you should be doing your homework now。你睇下你而家做緊啲乜嘢？仲喺度 play your smartphone 啊！嗱，咁個問題嚟啦 ，Jaden 有冇做緊功課？好明顯冇咯。所以呢句係愛嚟鬧人㗎 ，should be doing your homework now。
你而家應該做緊你功課，點解你仲未做緊你功課㗎
？OK，好，第三句 ，OK，you should have done your homework yesterday。有咩分別咧？就係咧，你尋日應該做你嘅功課，最後有冇做？冇做啊嘛。點解冇做嘅？我哋又揾翻嗰對拇指出嚟示範啦。Jaden, Mommy told you 啦，你尋日應該 should have done your homework， 點解仲未做呢？咁個 weekend 我哋唔去 Ocean Park 啦，我哋唔去 Ocean Park 啊 ，no， 我哋翻屋企 do the copybook 噶啦 ，OK， 我哋翻去做 copybook 啦，唔可以去 Ocean Park 啦。啊，所以你見到啦 ，Jaden 好抵死係咪？叫佢尋日做功課，而家又冇做，結果係點樣啦？結果咪就係冇做功課，所以呢三句分別好大㗎，明唔明啊 ？OK， 明嘅，我哋繼續睇下邊嗰啲grammar 嘅 exercise 啦。